Hello, we're entering the Fair Expo Center.
It's a Fair Expo Center. Yeah! Guys, they have here vendors. They have
food vendors, exhibits, all sorts of stuff.
Guys, they have
The Fudge.
the Fudge.
It's been here since I was a little kid. Same people, not the same Fudge.
No, not the same Fudge. You'd break a tooth.
Yeah, same
If
recipe.
the Fudge was here from the 80s.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
No, it's fresh Fudge.
Excellent.
Are we gonna taste it?
Probably. We
I
did
wanna
last year.
Yeah,
We'll probably get some.
Guys, thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome to La Familia, Benny and Neri, Adventures in Miami, in Orlando, and we don't know where the wind is gonna take us, honey. Adventures. If you're new, welcome to the family, like I said, and if not, subscribe. Please subscribe. We love you. Come with us. I'm gonna show you everything I can in here. Oh, and make sure you look at our other, oh, that's my can, oh, sorry, my hand, I know my hand's all over it. Oh, look at my manicure. Listen, baby, you're behind me?
You know, I just noticed with these glasses, you can't tell which way I'm looking.
No?
Can you tell where I'm looking?
Oh, great. Now you're looking over there. Where are you looking up?
How can you tell? I'm wearing my glasses.
Babe. Okay, listen, guys. Come with us.
Okay, I'm cut off.
Oh, I'm sorry. Babe, you're tall.
Yes.
So, look, smile. Bing! Very handsome. My handsome man. Guys, listen.
Hold on. Let me tilt my head.
Oh, bing! Guys, make sure to come with us into the exhibit center here. The expo, they have great bathrooms in here too.
Yeah,
and,
very nice bathrooms.
Make sure to subscribe. I already
And
said that like
tip your
3
attendant.
times. Huh?
Tip your attendant too.
I always said that in the other video. Guys, we have 2 videos that are out already or they're gonna come out.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
They
You're
keep
gonna
the
get a
bathrooms
lot of
clean.
it. Oh, they do.
Yeah.
They keep the bathrooms very clean. Tip your attendant. I'm so grateful for them. And that's it. Watch our other videos. I think one came out already or one's gonna come out. You're gonna get all the information from here. Thanks for watching. Well, first thing I can tell you is that the air conditioner in here feels great. If you want to get glasses, you can get glasses if you forgot your sunglasses at home. I love these little, like, different vendors. They sell costume jewelry. Oh my God, those hands scared me. I thought somebody was coming up. That's a little creepy, but yeah, they're showing you the jewelry. Okay, let's keep walking. They do shows here. The bathrooms, like I said, oh, they're clean. Always tip your attendant. Ooh, what did I got here? Look at a love heart. Yeah. Look, designs by Delia. I wonder if Delia's here. Guys, I found beautiful Delia. Let me put her info here, guys. Designs by Delia. Delia, tell me about your beautiful craftsmanship. This is really pretty.
Oh, thank you. Well, everything is handmade. It's either with 14 karat gold filled or stainless steel. I always use precious stones, freshwater pearls. So every idea comes to my head and I just bring it into life so I can share with the beautiful women.
Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. I'm gonna show them everything you do. How long have you done this? Because you really are so talented.
Thank you. I've been doing it probably now like for 6-7 years.
Wow, but this is amazing. This is amazing. I'm gonna show them your booth. And guys, where can they follow you on Instagram? Here on Designs by Delia?
That is correct.
Guys, follow her on Instagram. She's here at the youth fair, but you can also, do you do shipping to if they order
Yes,
online?
I ship all in the United States and Puerto Rico as well. And they can do local pickups as well.
Okay.
And I do a lot of events, and my Instagram, I always post where I'm at.
Oh, good. Guys, follow her on Instagram. I'm going to look in detail at everything she has in her booth. And Delia, thank you for your beautiful time and for your beautiful work.
Thank you. I do customize jewelry as well, so anything that they want customized, I can do.
Yeah? That's wonderful. So if somebody came, let's say with their own stone, and they said, I need you to do this or that, or I have an idea, you would do that?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
As they bring me ideas, I don't copy the exact idea because I don't like to do that, because sometimes they take a picture from another vendor. So I change it up a little bit. I don't like to copy no one's...
Well, you know, I think that's wonderful because you're your own artist.
Exactly.
So you want to put your magic into it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
Delia, thank you so much.
Welcome.
You're
Thank you.
sweet. Thank you so much. And you're going to be here at the fair.
I'll be here in the fair until it ends.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Delia, thank you so much. Guys, let me show you her booth. Guys, I'm going to give you a detailed look at Delia's art. Of course, she doesn't make like the chains, but guys, look, she makes the details here. All the details, she designs them herself. And she was so sweet, so kind. Make sure to follow her on Instagram. And if you're in the Miami area or you're a 305 local, come and check this out. They really, really have so many things here in her booth. She's really outdone herself. So many pretty things. So many pretty things, guys. So many. And she does custom made, remember, custom made stuff. Wow, this is really pretty. You can even get stuff for like daily use, and then things if you're gonna go out to match with a certain dress, or if you have an heirloom, something you wanna bring in and tell her, hey, I need you to maybe make something for me. She's gonna put her magic. As you can see, she's super artistic, and she's gonna put her touch to it, and I'm sure you're gonna leave very happy. You guys are gonna leave very happy. Not a paid promotion. This is just a love promotion because I love supporting local businesses, you guys. Local businesses. America is about supporting local businesses. So look Delia up. All right, guys, we're gonna speed it up here, put some fun fair music so you can see all the exhibits. These are from different kids from schools, and let me tell you, they're so talented. Come on, let's go. Whee! Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. We always love looking at these exhibitions because these children, huh?
Is that a Cybertruck?
Where? Yeah, somebody made. Is it a Cybertruck?
Doesn't look like anything else. I'm assuming.
Yeah, out of popsicle sticks. I'm telling you, the talent here is amazing. Guys, we love looking at what the kids do. Oh, this is great. Babe, maybe we can rent a cabin for the holidays, like for Christmas where it snows. Let me tell you, all of this, oh my gosh, out of popsicle sticks. Is this something out of Disney? I think this looks like the Encanto Casita. Does it? Anyway, you guys, this is really nice. Anyway, thumbs up to all the students that put all of their stuff here. Wow, I congratulate all of them. And they get prizes and so much art. All right, let's see what else they got here. Ooh, we're going into the marketplace. Let's see what we can buy and taste. Food, yeah. Okay, so they're giving something away, or there's a line or something, and you know, we got to find out what it is. What is it? Yeah. Okay, so a beautiful mom just told me that kids make their own robots, and there's like a competition here. Very fun. Okay, so let's see what we can get here. Oh, look, they're doing the whole robot challenge here. Yeah, they make their own robots. How cool is that? Yeah! Look at these kids. Oh, yeah! Look at the robots. Yeah! Okay. Woo! Wow, there's serious competition, man. Wow, they made these. Wow, this is great. Okay, let's look for food. This is great, but I'm getting really hungry. Oh, wait, are they going to compete here? Yeah. All right, well, they got a big crowd. Let's go find some food. Babe, let's go find some food. Weren't those robots cool? Bing,
They were cool. Let's go eat.
what a cute smile. Wow, very handsome. Babe, we're dressed like twins.
Look, check it out.
Let me see. Oh, look at this. Wow.
Was that McGruff?
McGruff?
That's me. Most people don't recognize me without my coat on.
Oh, check him out.
Who's McGruff, babe? Tell me.
He's the crime-fighting dog. Check out his eyes.
Whoa, McGruff. He fights crime. Yeah. Oh, he looked at me. Wow. Hi, McGruff. Nice wheels. Yeah. Thank you for what you do for fighting crime. You're very handsome. I have a doodle at home named Maxie. He would love to be friends. Babe, I'm getting like a tingly feeling all over my body. Why do you think?
Well, I can smell it. I smell the fudge.
Oh, that's why I feel this way. Oh my God, I hope the camera's not shaking too much.
They've been in the same exact spot forever.
Yeah?
Same exact spot, yeah.
They've been in the same exact spot, he says, forever. Well, this is looking mighty good, but I'm gonna get a candy apple later, but from outside. Oh my God, is this where they have the guava?
Peach, mango, guava.
I want a guava one. Babe, we're gonna have to get a guava one when we come back.
Blue raspberry,
Oh
pineapple,
my
watermelon.
gosh. But where's the fudge? Wow, you guys. Nut rolls. Yeah, nut roll. Babe, look at a nut roll. Wasn't that your nickname in college?
Actually, yes.
Nut roll. Oh my, everything here looks divine. Here is the famous fudge. Oh my, babe, we gotta get a piece of fudge. Let's have a piece of fudge on camera.
Dulce de leche.
Okay, that's it. Dulce de leche it is. Get a little piece. Guys, we're gonna get a piece of fudge. I have Sydney Swanson here at the toffee. Open there real quick. We got the dulce de leche. Tell me about all this delicious. First of all, your apples. Tell me about all those flavors. I love the guava. I haven't tasted it, but I'm sure I'm gonna love it.
The guava, I actually had a guava with tahini last night. It was so good. We started with the cherries, and then we branched out to our blue raspberry. We started with watermelon. We do grapes sometimes. We have pineapple. Our peach mango and our guava ones are our brand new flavors this year. They're very vibrant, very tasty, very tropical.
Oh my gosh. In Miami, everybody's coming for the good stuff. And dulce de leche, they say.
Oh yeah, this is the only place that we have flavor outside chocolate, and of course it is dulce de leche.
Now you're very young, let me tell you, because this has been around since I was a little girl.
We've been here since 1997. My grandfather started us here.
Oh!
Yes, I've been here. This is the fair I've been to most of my entire life. I was born in 01, so
You're a fair baby.
Yes, ma'am. My mom's the one over there. My uncle's here. My dad used to be the one also making candy. He was tall. We've had a few generations in here.
Well, thank you so much. I'm gonna go ahead and show them everything you have. You're gonna be at the fair until it's done, like
Yes,
every year.
ma'am. Yep.
And last year we tasted one of your fudge, and I'm gonna taste this one too. But last year was divine.
Thank you.
So
My grandfather
thank
created
you.
all these recipes himself. Great thing about our product, it's all naturally made, so there's no shelf extenders or preservatives. You can put it in a Ziploc freezer bag, toss it in the freezer, it'll be good in there for up to a whole year.
Oh my God, you just made a mistake. That means I'm gonna have to take like 6 or 7 pounds.
It
We're gonna
makes
have to
great
come.
gifts. Holidays.
No, I ain't giving it away. I'm gonna freeze it. I'm gonna freeze it.
There you go.
It was so nice meeting you guys. Come
Thank you so
support. I
much.
believe in supporting small businesses, good people that work hard and give love. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was so nice meeting you. Babe, she was so sweet. You got the goods?
We got the goods.
Yeah, let me show the tour here and the prices. Okay, so we got one slice of dulce de leche, $12. Guys, wonderful, wonderful. Let's go to the flavors here. I already did a little bit. Oh, they sell popcorn also. And look at all the flavors. Oh, and they say it tastes as good as it looks. No samples, guys. You gotta buy a slice, but I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. I already showed you the apples and stuff, but that was so sweet of her to give us a small little interview, and make sure to check them out. Let me ask her if they have a Instagram. Guys, look. We're making the fudge here. Well, they're making it. Wow, fresh and delicious. Unbelievable. Divine. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, do you have an Instagram?
Follow us on Instagram at Faz Fair Foods, FAZFAIRFOODS.
Okay, guys, go back and spell that again so you can follow them, please, on Instagram. Yeah.
Start without you.
No! Wait, Benny's gonna start without me. Let me hurry up. Okay, baby, you first.
Let's see here.
I want to know. You're a dulce de leche connoisseur like
love
I
dulce de
am.
leche.
Okay, let's see.
It's not really good for me, but
Well, everything in moderation. Is it delicious?
very good. Here, try
Give a
it.
description. Sweet? Creamy?
It's creamy, super sweet. I love it.
Does it taste like dulce de leche?
It tastes, of course, like
Okay.
dulce de leche. Very good. Very
Okay, get
good
me,
dulce de
get me.
leche.
Let's flip the camera, flip the camera.
How is it?
Oh my God. If you like sweet, 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 not for you. But it tastes like, oh my God, a little bit of a burnt kind of milk. Caramel. It's got a little bit of a harder outside to it. We got a comment, I keep saying it on our food reviews. We're not food review people, but we're foodies. I love food. This is divine. It's like a caramel milk. It's like a milk bar. I don't know how to say it, but it is good.
No, and they did say in Miami, Miami's the only place where the dulce de leche outsells the chocolate.
If you know dulce de leche, come get it here. Oh my God, it's divine.
I love it.